Hello students, welcome to the Standard 5 Social Studies class. Students, kindly take out chapter 6 and page number 38. Saudi Arabia, the land of hot sands. A desert is a region covered with sand from all sides. It is a place where there is very scanty rainfall and the vegetation is very less. Deserts occupy about 1/5 of the Earth's land area. Most of the hot deserts are located on the western sides of the continents. The winds that blow across the deserts are dry winds called trade winds. Deserts found in one continent can be different from those found in other continents. Desert can be hot or cold, but they remain dry, almost barren. In some places of deserts have sand dunes. Sand hills means sand hills. In other places, they may have plains. The Sahara Desert in North Africa is the largest desert of the world. Some other important deserts of the world are: number 1, Sahara Desert, North Africa; 2, Colorado Desert, North America; 3, Kalahari Desert, South Africa; 4, Gobi Desert, China; 5, Thar Desert, India; 6, Arabian Desert, Arabian Peninsula; 7, Great Australian Desert, Australia. The Thar Desert is located in Rajasthan in our country. Saudi Arabia. Location: Saudi Arabia is a large country situated in the Arabian Peninsula. The Arabian Peninsula is the largest peninsula in the world. A peninsula is a piece of land surrounded by water from three sides. Most of the country is covered with a thick layer of loose sand. It lies between Red Sea and Persian Gulf. Its neighbors are Kuwait, Israel, Iraq, and Jordan in north. Bahrain and United Arab Emirates in the south. Oman and Qatar in the east, and Yemen in the southwest. See student, oasis. See the picture, sand dunes, sand hills. This is the picture. The land of Saudi Arabia is dry and barren. Sandstorms are very common in deserts. Strong winds carry sand from one place to another and form sand hills called sand dunes. See, this is sand dunes. Strong wind and dust storms keep blowing and shifting these sand dunes from one place to another. There are no lakes and rivers in this region, but at some places in the desert, underground water come to the surface, forming fertile area called oasis. See, this is the picture of oasis. Climate, vegetation and agriculture. Climate. The climate of Saudi Arabia is hot throughout the year. The temperature reaches as high as 50 degrees Celsius. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of the Saudi Arabia, and the country gets the direct rays of the sun. Strong dusty winds blow during the day. During summers, the days are very hot and nights are cool, while in winters the days are warm and nights are cold. In coastal areas, the temperatures are moderate. Saudi Arabia receives very less rainfall, and whenever it rains, temporary streams of water called wadis are formed because the water soon evaporates or sink into the ground due to extreme heat. Therefore, there is an acute shortage of fresh water in the country. Vegetation. As the temperature is high and rainfall is less, very little vegetation is found here. Plants which withstand hot and dry weather grow here. Most of these plants have long roots which go deep into the soil to absorb water. Cacti and shrubs are some plants which have thorns instead of leaves so that there will be no loss of water. Cactus is the most common plant of this region. See children, cactus is the most common plant of this region. Agriculture. A very small area of Saudi Arabia is suitable for growing crops. Most of the water needed for irrigation and domestic use is obtained by desalting the seawater. Wheat, barley, fruits and vegetables can be grown. Date, sam are common in this region as they grow in, turn the page, in fertile areas where the underground water comes to the surface. Dates are sweet and nutritious. The leaves and wood of this tree is used to make mats and baskets. Natural resources. Saudi Arabia is one of the second largest producer of petroleum. The main oil fields are located in Gwahar, Abqaiq and Dhahran. Petroleum is exported to other countries through ships. India also imports a quantity of petroleum from Saudi Arabia. Animal life. Only animals which can survive in this hot and dry weather live here. Gazelle, spider, orus, sidewinder, snake, ibex, dancing lizard, armadillo, lizard, hyena are some animals of this region. The camel is the most useful animal in the desert. It can walk on the hot sand. Its feet are padded feet which adapt to walk on the sand. It can live without food and water many days. It can store food in the form of fat in its hump. Its blushy eyes lashes protect desert sand from entering its eyes. The students, thank you.